If your shoulders round forward, or if you're experiencing back pain, shoulder pain, or neck pain, your posture is likely the culprit. I'm talking about a rounded back, forward rounded shoulders, and a protruding head. If this describes your posture, then it's critical that you get this corrected. Unfortunately, most of the things the average person does on a daily basis lead them to develop poor posture. These include using your phone, sitting at a desk for long periods of time, working at a computer, driving, and so on. Forward rounded shoulders are essentially due to an imbalance between the muscles that pull your shoulder blades forward and the muscles that pull your shoulder blades back. It's kind of like a tug of war in which the front of your body is winning. This is because the posterior or back of your torso is likely underactive and weak. On the other hand, the anterior or front is overactive and tight. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the major muscles you need to fix and include a simple and easy routine to fix your rounded shoulders fast so that you can avoid pain and injury. The primary overactive tight muscles include the pecs, upper traps, and lats. The primary underactive weak muscles include the mid traps, lower traps, and rhomboids. In order to fix your rounded shoulders, we're going to focus on stretching or releasing the overactive muscles and strengthening the underactive muscles. Without further ado, here's a full routine created by renowned massage therapist and personal trainer Joe Yoon, aka Joe Therapy, to fix rounded shoulders fast. Since these are not heavy, fatiguing barbell lifts, feel free to perform this routine daily to improve your posture. Exercise number 1. Arching over a foam roller. Our backs tend to be in a flexed, rounded position all day. This causes very little mobility at the thoracic or T-spine. The purpose of this exercise is to place your T-spine into extension. Grab a foam roller and lay on it so it's under your mid-back. Place your hands behind your head and elbows close together. Slightly engage your abs while keeping your neck neutral. The purpose here is to extend the T-spine, not to arch over the low back or bend our neck backwards. That may feel like we're doing more, but it's really not. T-spine extensions on a foam roller are very subtle movements, as you only want the movement with each T-spine vertebrae rather than by compensating with other parts of your body. Exhale as you extend your back. You can even hold the end position for a few deep breaths. Then move the foam roller along your T-spine to mobilize each part of it. Do this for 10 reps. Exercise number 2. Pec stretch. When the back is rounded and we have poor posture, our pecs become tight. This movement is to stretch the pec minor and pec major. Simply walk into an open doorway and place one arm against the frame slightly higher than shoulder level. You can place the opposite hand on your abdomen to keep a stable position. Keep a tall posture and pull the shoulder blade back. Just turn away from the arm so you feel a stretch in your pec. You can hold this position for 1 minute before switching to the opposite side. Exercise number 3. T-spine extension on a bench. Although we've already done some T-spine extension work, this movement emphasizes stretching the lats as well as the triceps. All you need is a dowel or stick and a workout bench or platform at around the same height. Take a step away from the bench so it's in front of you. Get on your knees. If you want, you can place a mat under them so it's more comfortable. Take a shoulder width grip with the stick. Put your elbows on the bench with knees in line with your hips to start. Then sink your hips back. As you do that, flex your elbows so that the hands go behind your head. From there, you'll sink your chest down toward the ground. You'll get a lot of T-spine extension, but you'll also feel a big stretch in the lats and triceps. Hold this bottom position for 2 to 3 seconds and do this for a total of 10 reps. Exercise number 4. Chin tuck. When you have bad posture, your head will protrude. This causes the front of the neck to be in a stretch position, oftentimes making it weak. Chin tucks will help strengthen the flexors of the neck so your neck is in a healthy position. Lay down on your back with a small rolled up towel on the back of your neck to provide more sensory feedback. Keep your low back flat on the floor. Tuck your chin and squish the towel against the back of your neck. If you feel a double chin forming, you're probably doing it right. Remember, you're not just looking down, you're tucking your chin and pushing your head back to strengthen the neck flexors. Hold the end position for a couple of seconds and do this for 10 reps. Exercise number 5, prone shoulder liftoffs. The first 3 movements stretch the overactive muscles. Now we are focused more on strengthening the underactive muscles in the mid-upper back, which will reinforce the range of motion we just created. Lay down on your belly with your arms out in front of you, forming a Y shape. You can place a towel under your face for a more comfortable position. Lift your arms up and hold the position for a second, then bring them back down. Do this for 10 reps. To recap, start off with T-spine extensions with a foam roller. Perform this exercise for 10 reps. From there, you'll move on to the pec stretch for 1 minute on each side. Next, 10 reps of T-spine extensions on a bench to complete the first half of the workout, stretching the overactive tight muscles. From there, we'll move on to strengthening the underactive weak muscles. Start off with 10 reps of chin tucks to strengthen the flexors of the neck, and then finish the workout with 10 reps of prone shoulder liftoffs to strengthen the mid-upper back. So there you have it, a simple routine to help fix your rounded shoulders fast. Start incorporating this routine in your schedule, ideally every day, and you'll experience better posture, less pain, and reduce the risk of injury. Did you find this video helpful? If so, click the like button below as it'll truly help out the channel. Also, if you're looking for simple exercises to help increase flexibility, reduce pain, or improve performance, grab a copy of Joe's book, Better Stretching. The link will be in the description below. If you want to see more from Joe, make sure you follow him on Instagram at JoeTherapy, where he shares daily mobility tips with over 1 million followers. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next one. Peace.